Welcome back, my subscribers. Thanks for the subscribers that have been joining on here lately. I finally hit 500. Now I need to reach that 1,000 mark. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It all adds up. All right, let's talk about the Harley-Davidson. And like I said, old Mad Brad here, Mad Brad's Customs. I don't leave anything alone. If I buy it, I'm going to go through it. Every nut and bolt is just me. I'm just that away. And I find things that I think is like, should have been taken care of by whoever. But how about a nasty cigarette lighter? Look at that. Yeah, don't need no cigarette lighters. I'm not going to be doing no darn cigarettes or anything. But I may need a USB port plug-in. So we're going to change that out. Got the mirrors off because they are peeling up. And I don't know, but there was an idea about the antenna. Well, it has this inboard antenna on it. You see it right here. And I went to the trouble to buy a carbon antenna to put back here, because I was in belief that my Street Glide that I had before, 2016, the antenna was back here for the radio. But now that I got this apart, I may have been, God, do I ever say that? Wrong? Yeah. Look how shiny that wheel is now. Oh, God, yeah. What? Man, you know, a little elbow grease makes a lot of difference. Anyway, while I got it apart, I guess I'll clean this up, of course. But yeah, maybe that rear antenna was on this model for a CB radio. I don't know, but we're going to trace it all out of this madness of wires, figure it all out. And I'll probably change these stock nothing to them radio speakers out, because they don't sound that great. I think I even have a pair, and I have an amp that sits right up here. So I'll show you all that as I do it, but don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. We need you. Yeah, you know, this YouTube thing can help you out if you get enough subscribers, but yeah, now apparently if you get subscribers and you don't get people hitting the like button, you're not going to get there anyway. I got the darn videos and I got the hours in, but I need you to hit that subscribe button. All right, Mad Brad's Customs, we are out.